Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not working or not loading easily and fast. So what you wanna do is just keep watching until the end. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find TikTok. Click on it, click on this force stop and then go to the notifications. Make sure that all the notifications are enabled. Go to the permissions, enable all the permissions again right here again, and then go back, click on the data usage and do the same thing. Everything should be enabled. Go back and last thing, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and then go back to the settings of your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds or 10 seconds and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.